Ever been in a pinch, desperately needing something but short on cash? You're not alone. We've all been there. Maybe it's a last-minute birthday gift, an unexpected expense, or just that irresistible online deal. But what if you could get the money now and pay it back later? That's where Beforepay comes in. Beforepay is a revolutionary financial service that allows you to access a portion of your future earnings in advance. Think of it as a responsible way to bridge the gap between paychecks. But can you use Beforepay to buy a Visa gift card? That's the burning question we're tackling today. Now, let's dive in. Visa gift cards are incredibly versatile. They're accepted almost everywhere, online, in-store, you name it. They're perfect for gifting, online shopping sprees, or even for everyday expenses. So, can you use your Beforepay funds to grab one? The short answer is, it's complicated. While Beforepay provides instant access to funds, how you use those funds can vary depending on the specific terms and conditions of your Beforepay agreement. Here's what you need to consider. 1. Acceptable use policy. Most Beforepay providers have an acceptable use policy. This policy outlines how you can and cannot use the advanced funds. While purchasing everyday goods and services is generally acceptable, some restrictions may apply. For example, certain high-risk purchases like gambling or illegal activities are usually prohibited. 2. Payment methods. How do you typically purchase a Visa gift card? Online, in-store, or through a mobile app? Beforepay funds are usually linked to your bank account. So, if the gift card vendor accepts direct bank transfers or online payments, you might be able to use your Beforepay funds to make the purchase. 3. Card restrictions. Some Visa gift cards may have restrictions on how they can be used. For example, they might not be usable for online gambling, international transactions, or certain types of businesses. Always check the terms and conditions of the specific gift card before making a purchase. The best way to determine if you can buy a Visa gift card with Beforepay is to review your Beforepay agreement carefully, pay close attention to the acceptable use policy and any other relevant terms and conditions. Contact your Beforepay provider. Reach out to their customer support team directly. They can provide the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding acceptable uses of your advanced funds. Check with the gift card vendor. Inquire about their accepted payment methods. If they accept direct bank transfers or online payments, you might be able to use your Beforepay funds. Remember, Beforepay is a financial tool that should be used responsibly. Always borrow only what you can afford to pay back within the agreed-upon time frame. Avoid using Beforepay for frivolous purchases or to cover essential expenses like rent or utilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spending, responsibly, of course.